Welcome back to Home Sweet Home. Today we come up with a beautiful house. This house built on a 13.5 cent plot in Kerala. The family wanted a cost-effective house to be built on the 13.5 cents land that they owned in the city. The elevation features contemporary box-style designs that are quite eye-catching. The grey, white and yellow shades highlight these box features on the exteriors. Designed in 2,205 square feet area, this incredibly simple yet beautiful house has a sit-out, formal and family living areas, dining space, courtyard, kitchen with an adjacent work area, 4 bedrooms, pooja space, balcony and an open terrace as well. Vitrified tiles are paved on the floor. Wooden tiles are paved on the floor in the formal living area to highlight this space. The dining hall is the highlight of the interiors. The spaces are spread in the open style here. The family living area, dining space, courtyard, and the stairway are part of this open hall. The dining table can accommodate up to 6 guests. The skylight above the courtyard brings lots of pleasant sunshine into the interiors. The walls of the courtyard are decorated with wooden paneling. Meanwhile, the handrails of the stairway are done in stainless steel. The pantry kitchen is connected to the dining area. An adjacent work area completes the kitchen space. The cupboards, meanwhile, are made in marine plywood finish. Granite is paved on the countertop. The bedrooms are designed in unique color themes. The bath-attached bedrooms have inbuilt wardrobe for storage and separate dressing spaces as well. The headboard walls are highlighted in colors that are pleasant to the eyes. The excellent cross ventilation makes bedrooms extremely pleasant and comfortable. The construction of the structure was completed on a budget of 35 lakhs. An additional 8 lakh was spent for designing the interiors and the landscape as well. So, the entire house was completed on a reasonable budget of 43 lakh. This has been made possible by minimal interior designing and a curb on excess use of timber for furnishing. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.